Today we're going to be comparing our best-selling Rega Planar 3 to the brand new Rega Planar 6. If you're in the market for a new turntable in the $1,000 to $2,000 range, you may be wondering about the differences between the Rega Planar 3 and the Rega Planar 6. Especially, what do you get for the additional $650 when you move from the P3 to the P6? Let's talk about each of the important components in these tables and discuss the differences. By the end, you should be able to determine which is right for you. For simplicity's sake, let's start at the bottom and work our way up. First, the feet. The Planar 3 uses a hollow cone design made out of a material called santoprene. You'll actually find the same feet on the P6, but they've been upgraded with aluminum reinforcement rings that help to transfer even more energy out of the feet and away from the table. Next to the plinth. While the Planar 3 uses a sandwich construction of acrylic over a particulate core, the Planar 6 uses a brand new material known as TanCast 8, sandwiched with lightweight, high-pressure laminate. The new plinth further helps to eliminate external energy and improve performance. While we're talking about the plinth, it's also worth noting that the Planar 3 is available in a few different color options, including high-gloss black, white, or red. The Planar 6 is beautiful, but is only available in matte Polaris gray with a high-gloss black polymer edge trim. Moving on to the bearing, the P3 uses a patent-pending ultra-low friction brass hub. The same bearing is used in the Planar 6, but is anchored to the plinth with a larger machined aluminum threaded collar for increased stiffness. The subplatter is part of the main bearing assembly. It's the small round part that the outer platter sits on. The Planar 3 uses a phenolic hub with a machined aluminum adapter, while the Planar 6 has a new single-piece machined aluminum subplatter that offers better speed stability. Rega is known for their float glass platters, and they are featured in both the P3 as well as the P6. The Planar 3 has Rega's new OptiGlass platter, which we love. The Planar 6, however, takes things to a different level by adding another layer of glass. The increased mass from the extra 2 layers improves the flywheel effect and leads to even better speed stability. Now, let's talk about the motors used in these two turntables. Rega developed a brand new 24-volt low-noise motor when they introduced the Planar 3 in 2016. The P6 uses the exact same motor but adds a custom-made aluminum spindle and the precision machine white reference belt. If you go with the Planar 3, you can still purchase this belt as an upgrade for $59. The aluminum spindle and an upgraded belt improve speed stability and further eliminate noise as compared to the Planar 3. The Planar 3 has an internal speed control, but you have the option of adding Rega's external TTPSU for $395. The Planar 6 comes standard with a new and improved version of the TTPSU, known as the Neo PSU. The Neo uses DSP technology to generate a perfect signal to drive the motor. It's completely external to the Planar 6. This will provide far better speed stability over the standard Planar 3 and will even be an improvement over the $395 upgrade TTPSU. The chance of noise entering the table is reduced, as is the weight of the plinth. As a bonus, all it takes to switch from 33 to 45 is the push of a button. Aluminum bracing is something that Rega is known for. They pioneered the technology in their high-end tables years ago. This bracing is included in both tables, but the Planar 6 utilizes a method of securing the tone arm to the plinth that is used in their higher-end RP8 and RP10 turntables. While there is some added benefit to the way the Planar 6 bracing is secured, the biggest improvement comes from having the bracing itself, which is found on both the P3 as well as the P6. Both the Planar 3 and Planar 6 come with the RB330 tone arm and the same high-quality cables and connectors on the output side. This one is a wash. Finally, while there's nothing to report here from a performance standpoint, the Planar 6 features a new tinted finish on its dust cover, while the Planar 3's cover has the typical clear finish. If you have a system that is capable of pretty high resolution, you will definitely hear a clear difference between these two tables. Bass is deeper with the P6. The speed is much more stable, which results in emotional involvement in the music. The instruments are better separated, and you get the sense of a quieter background. On the other hand, if you're listening to vinyl through a pair of $200 bookshelf speakers, you probably won't be able to tell much of a difference. It all comes down to what you have and what you want to achieve. One last note. If you have the budget and decide on the Planar 6, We strongly recommend getting the package that includes the Anya moving coil cartridge. It's an incredible combo and we promise you won't be disappointed. Don't forget, we have free 2-day shipping on all orders as well as lifetime support and hassle-free returns. If you have any questions, please click the chat icon and we'll be happy to help you out.